Hello, this is a online banking website that has all the complete online banking transaction codes like transfer billing codes, IMF, COT, ATIS, tax, and all is being controlled by the admin. Admin can deactivate all those codes during transfer, can also activate them or move to any of the one that he wants to make use of at that particular time. This particular online banking website comes with SMS alert and is working perfectly. If time permits us, I would like to to show you the SMS part of it. Also now we can log into the user side and also the admin side to see some features that comes with this bank, and know that we can do exactly something like this for you with your own specifications. You can build a good online banking website for you for your project, and it doesn't cost much. It's affordable. So let me, without wasting much time, let me quickly log into the admin. So we see how the admin looks like, and I'm going to be showing you how admin manages transfer and all those transaction to withheld transaction, also block user, approve user, and all that. And here on this website, a user can actually create account by itself, while admin also can create too. User can create, admin can create, and there is this 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 feature that this bank has. It has a holding balance, whereby admin can hold a user balance, and also it has a ledger balance and account balance. So I'm going to log in, but first of all, let's get to the admin and see what the admin is like. Let's see what the admin is like. Sorry. Okay, we are in. Look at this side here. You can suspend user from this angle. You can suspend user. You can view messages. So look at the admin features. Here you can see add account, where I told you that admin can actually create account. Look at back customers, add client photo. If you want to add a client photo, this is where to add it. Add transaction, edit transaction. Any transaction you did, you want to add it, you want to edit, you can do that here. Client billing, this is where I'm talking about the code. Let me click it. I'm talking about the code. You can set this code on a particular user. Look at all the let's say now allow transfer. You put it allow transfer. In this place now, the transfer will have to go requesting only for the OTP, and it goes successful without any withhold or requesting for all those codes. Then look at request COT, request tax code, request IMF code, suspend transfer. This is the work of the admin, and here we detailed it out in a way that you can actually understand what request COT code means. Client will enter, we explained everything for you to really for it to be easy to navigate on the admin end and also know the functions without being told. So let's see the holding balance I'm talking about here. Admin can hold a balance. You can choose the user, select user, any user that you have on your admin that you want to use, select it, then put the amount that you want to hold. So if let's assume now that the account balance, we are funding the account balance of $50,000 US, and it happens to be that the account is having an issue. So here now you can hold the band. Once you put that same 50,000 on this section now and update it, it will automatically will not allow the user to initiate any transfer or perform a transaction or send out money. So here is a set transfer limit, the limit that you want a user to be able to perform transfer, whether 3 times, a 1 time, 2 times, or how many times that you wish to set it. Here is where you do it. If you want to send a notice, you want to send an email from this bank to a user without having to use your webmail, you can do that here. You can send out email to a customer without using your webmail, and the user will receive it in his or her email or so. So look at credit user. Here you can credit a user of any amount, and the most important, the striking part of this crediting of user account is that you can actually set the time and year. Let's assume that you want to backdate a transaction. You don't want it to be from 18th of May 2023. You understand? You want it to have something like 2021, 18th of May 2021. This is where you do it. You do it manually. Look at it. Look at the examples of the ones I did. Look at this is the time. You set it. Then in this description that you want to be by the purpose of payment, maybe flight payment and all that, you put it there. Then amount from where the money is coming from. In case if you want, let's assume that another person is sending you money, you can manipulate that here using the sender's name. So here is the same thing with the debit user. That is same thing with the debit user. The same process with credit and the same process as a debit. So look at virtual card. Here is where you add card for a user, so that in the dashboard of that user, the user will be able to have a credit card number to make online transaction like every other bank. So with this bank I must tell you, the bank that you need for your project, and we can do something like this for you, and even with your specification, we can do what you want. We can do it and give you the best of it. And all our banks, we send SMS. We have SMS. We send SMS with a reliable SMS API. So look at a loan. Here is where you add loan. Here, this one is loan. Quick loan. If you want to add loan for any user, this is where you add it. All beneficiaries. So let's get a login so that we can see how the user dashboard looks like. You see here, you can change user password here. Once you click on edit account, you can change user password here. You can change it, and if you change it, the user will not be able to log in anymore. So let's log in as user and see how the user end looks like. I bet you will like it, and I know that you will come for your own for me to do something like this for you. So here, look at it. We are going to log in with account ID, password. Wow, hold on. Okay, we are in. So you see how the user dashboard looks like. This bank has 2FA. You can do 2FA setting. That is that place that means you are seeing one. You can, once you set it onto it, you have to request a code before the user can log in. So look at the dashboard here. Here is the dashboard. You see the user dashboard. You can perform transfer. profile, loan investment, e-statement. It has account statement. Look at the account statement. Make deposit, crypto. You can actually deposit the cryptocurrency. Once you click on it, you see you can deposit with cryptocurrency, which is very nice for every online banking. You as a developer, you need this kind of script. Look at it, the account balance, everything you need. Here you can add a check funds. And like as I told you that this script is in SMS alert enabled. The email is working normally, but it's SMS alert enabled. There is no card added for this user. Let me add a card so that you will see how it looks like. Okay, I'm creating a card now. Oh, sorry, this one is database error. I'm going to rectify it now. So look at it. This is how it looks like. Very perfect and excellent for your online banking projects. So you can order for yours, and you can contact us for us to create a wonderful and responsive online banking website. Not only online banking, we build any kind of website, business website, corporate website, NGO, Bitcoin investment, forex, binary. There is no site we don't do. We build all these sites. That is our work. So see you next time. Kindly subscribe when you watch this video. Try and subscribe so that you'll be getting more notification on any of my releases, any of my uploads, because I'll be keeping you updated. And again, I forget to say, this website is not Google deceptive. It can never be the kind of bank you see red page or Google deceptive. No, we don't do that kind of bank. Our bank is excellent and does not show Google deceptive on it. It works perfectly till any time your host expires. So see you some other time. Do well to patronize us.